The 200-watt Police Siren Kit is designed to deliver outstanding audio clarity and audibility, ensuring your message is heard in various emergency situations. With over 30 different siren tones available, this system allows users to select the perfect sound for any occasion, from traditional sirens to specialized emergency warnings. The handheld controller and microphone offer extra convenience, allowing for easy operation while driving, and featuring additional power switches for versatile equipment control. Installation is made simple with multiple mounting options, including adjustable magnet brackets, ensuring the controller can be positioned conveniently in any vehicle. This compact and easy-to-operate PA system fits seamlessly behind a vehicle's grille or push bumper, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles from trucks to ATVs. Constructed with a corrosion-resistant aluminum body and an IP66 waterproof rating, this siren kit is built to withstand harsh conditions and provide long-lasting performance.